Tired of tax season feeling like a confusing maze, especially when you're an Uber driver? Don't worry, in the next minute and a half, I'll break down exactly how to report your Uber income on Wealthsimple Tax, so you can file with confidence and maybe even find some deductions you didn't know existed. First, log into your Wealthsimple Tax account and navigate to the Self-Employment Income section if you don't see it. You may need to add self-employment as a source of income in your profile. You'll be filling out a T2125 form, which is the statement of business or professional activities. Think of it as a detailed report of your Uber business's finances. Now, grab your Uber annual tax summary. This document is your best friend. It breaks down your total earnings and any expenses Uber has already tracked, like commissions and service fees. Carefully enter your gross Uber income into the revenue section of the T2125 form. This is the total amount you earn before any deductions. Next, the fun part, deductions. You can deduct eligible expenses like gas, car maintenance, insurance, a portion of your cell phone bill if you use it for Uber, and even car washes. Be realistic and only claim expenses directly related to your Uber driving. If you own your car, you might be able to claim capital cost allowance or CCA. This is a deduction for the depreciation of your vehicle. Wealthsimple Tax will guide you through this section, but you might want to consult a tax professional to ensure you're calculating it correctly. Remember to keep detailed records of all your income and expenses. The CRA might ask for proof, so organize receipts and bank statements. Once you've entered all your income and deductions, Wealthsimple Tax will calculate your net income from Uber. This amount will be added to your other income to determine your total taxable income. Finally, carefully review all the information you've entered, and once you're confident it's accurate, you can file your return electronically through Wealthsimple Tax. Now go enjoy your refund.